I honestly never thought about HDMI cables as long as the TV works. That was enough for me. But after struggling with thick HDMI cables behind my setup for years, I wanted to see if this ultra slim cable actually makes any real difference or if it's just marketing. So today I'm comparing it directly with a regular HDMI cable. First, let's open it up. The cable actually comes packaged pretty clean inside the box. Nothing too crazy, but definitely more premium look than most regular HDMI cables. And the moment I took it out, the first thing I noticed was how slim it is. Compared to a normal regular cable, the difference is honestly obvious. The regular cable feels thick, stiff, and harder to bend. Meanwhile, this slim cable is a way lighter and much more flexible. And honestly, you notice that differences immediately when handling both side by side. Now, to be fair, for basic everyday use, regular HDMI cable still gets the job done. If you are simply connecting your TV box, laptop, or streaming device to your TV, a normal HDMI cable will actually work perfectly fine. But where this thing starts changing is convenience, especially when dealing with tighter space behind the TVs, because thick HDMI cables can sometimes be annoying to route properly. They bend awkwardly, take up more space, and can make cables management look messy. This slim cable is noticeably easy to work with behind the TV or your TV console. And honestly, that ended up being one of the biggest differences I noticed. Setup just felt cleaner and less frustrating overall. Now, in terms of actual picture quality, I tested both cables using some 4K videos playback on my TV. And visually, the slim cable handled everything smoothly throughout testing. No flickering, no signal drops, no random black screen. Just a stable connection the entire time, which honestly is exactly what you want for an HDMI cable. Now, another interesting thing about this cable is that it's an active optical cable, which basically means it's designed to maintain stable high-speed transmission, especially across longer cable distances. Now, realistically, most people probably won't notice that in everyday use, but for cleaner installation or longer setup, it could definitely be useful. What surprised me wasn't really the picture quality though, it was the overall practicality, the flexibility, the cleaner setup, and just how much easier it was to manage compared to a regular bulky HDMI cable. If you care about cleaner setup, flexibility, easier cable routing, or reducing clutter behind your TV, then I actually understand why people prefer slimmer cable like this. So overall, not some revolutionary life-changing upgrade, but definitely more practical than I expected. If you want to check it out yourself, I will leave the link in the description along with my discount code Ikani20. And honestly, I'm curious, will you switch to a slim HDMI cable like this or stick with regular HDMI cables? If you enjoyed this comparison, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and let me know in the comments which one you actually choose, slim cable or regular cable.